Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, I do feel like you guys have been manifesting a new soulmate to come in, right? And from what I'm seeing here, I feel like you guys have been going through some type of awakening where you guys have been transforming. Like, you had to make changes, in your life. Because remember a while back, I was fussing with y'all, okay? Because there was somebody around you in your love life you guys had to get rid of. For some of you, it could have been family, but I feel like you've gone through your awakening. Basically, you're getting yourself together. You're manifesting a new soulmate. And maybe for a lot of you, even if you are manifesting a soulmate, your focus could be on your finances, your career, trying to get, that situated. But Spirit is saying stay optimistic about your love life. Now, for others of you, this is the thing. So remember, I just said a lot of you are manifesting someone new. There could be somebody that you already know that you've, met in this lifetime that is your soulmate. Maybe the two of you had like a lot of disagreements because of religious factors. There was a difference with, tradition, spiritual belief. Maybe you're more spiritual than the other person or vice versa. Maybe that was an issue with, your family or their family. I mean, it was so many different things. If, this is referring to somebody that you already know, maybe right now it's like, yes, they're manifesting you. They're going through an awakening, a spiritual transformation, but they're focusing on their finance. Like, they're trying to get themselves together. So honestly, guys, I'm seeing this going both ways. So let's just see how this comes out. Because this could be a specific mess. I'm not hearing you. So this might be somebody you already know. Or somebody that's getting ready to come into your life. Let's just see what jumps out. Because I'm seeing two different things. Okay. So bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Pentacles reversed. So overall energy, somebody feels like things aren't improving. Or maybe they're not improving with their finances. But I'm seeing a fast message coming in for you guys. Oh. Okay, so back up. Somebody wants to say something to you, but they're moving slow to do it. The seeds that they planted with you, I feel like they want it to grow, but they're just not taking a leap right now, Pisces. Let's see. Yeah. Pisces, I feel like they're moving slow to come towards you because you could have cut this person off in the past. Yeah, this person, I feel like they left you out in the cold once upon a time, and they're trying to figure out how to come back in to, rectify the situation. They want to make it right. But see, they're just not putting in the work just yet. They're not. Okay, tell me more. Yeah, this person's afraid that things may not improve with you, Pisces. They were going through karma. This person was definitely going through some type of karma. I was saying karma, I heard karmic justice. So it's like you're getting karmic justice, but they were definitely going through karma, something that they did. It's like everything is, crashing down on their end. If they were holding on to a family situation, a love situation, friend, whatever it was, it's like they're seeing the truth of what it is. And it's like they're going through these lessons and they can't move forward with you just yet. I'm not gonna lie, before I started shuffling, the Empress caught my eye, and then there's the Sun. Maybe for some of you guys, this person has a child or children with you and or someone else. I'm telling you, somebody's going through something. The thing is, it's like they do want happiness with you, but they keep going back and forth with a decision. They need to make up their mind. And see, they're going to get out of their head because I see them getting out of a situation. It was toxic. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Tell me more. Because in the past, this person was definitely sneaky. And right now, I'm telling you, they're making some changes because they want to move forward with you. They see happiness with you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Cancer. But see, right now, they're just not giving you that offer. They're worried about their stability. See, they have to put an end to a situation. So if somebody does have a child or children with someone else, they're like, okay, I got to get myself out of this situation. I am going to get out, but if I leave the situation, it might be affecting my finances. Or if I'm the child in the situation, taking care of family, a family member or members, I'm trying to get my money together because they've been draining me. So let's see. Yeah, see, didn't I just say somebody's walking away? Somebody is walking away from a situation. Oh, didn't I just say? I told y'all. Somebody is leaving a family situation. Look at that 9 and 10. I told you they were going through karmic lessons. Somebody was draining them financially, and they're getting themselves out of the situation. If they have not already left, they're getting ready to get out. Because they want wish fulfillment with you. They want happiness with you. They don't want to argue with you. This person, they're not confused, but at the same time, y'all, somebody has a child. It's definitely giving me child energy. Ooh. There's a small percentage of you. Did somebody find out that they're not the father of a child? I mean, it's not for everybody. That's not for everybody. It's a small, I mean, real small. It's not everybody. Interesting. Regardless, this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. See, they don't have the strength to come towards you. Y'all, I'm just skipping signs. Y'all know how I am when I'm in my zone. I'm sorry. Let's back up. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But regardless, I'm telling you, they don't have the strength to come towards you because they feel like you don't want to build with them. See, they can't sleep. They're worried. They're frustrated because they don't know how you're going to react and or respond to them. See, because you did all the work in the past. You did everything. So I'm seeing that this person, it's like they're going to make a decision. They're just moving really slow. They're on the right path, guys. Look at that, 11-11. This person definitely sees himself having a happy home. It's another 11. Okay. This person sees himself having a happy home, a family with you, all of that. But I'm telling you, they feel like you don't want them anymore. They feel like it's too little too late. See, they were being immature and childish. You know, they didn't give you the offer when they should have a long time ago. And see, I'm telling you, this is why they're afraid things aren't going to improve. And even where that landed, I'm telling you, there's some type of family or living situation going on here. Okay, yeah, this person's upset. They know that they hurt you. Tell me more. Yep, they're frustrated. They feel like they lost you, and they don't know how to win you back, Pisces. They don't know, but this person, it's going to take some time. This person was moving like really slow. See, the way this came out, it's like, I'm going to take it this way, but they're going to apologize to you, and they're trying to have the confidence to do it. But yeah, they're having a hard time right now. Tell me more. I told you they hurt you. This person hurt you. They know you're upset with them, and I'm telling you, that's why they're afraid things aren't going to improve. But you see, there's another woman here. So there's a woman here that wants money from them. I'm telling you, if this is someone they could just be in a relationship with, they may not have kids with them. Maybe they're just responsible for taking care of them. Maybe this person has a child or children with someone else, and then the thing is your person is stepped into the role to help out. If not, I'm telling you, it's like they have a child or children with this person, or this is a family member, whatever it is, she's draining them. I'm telling you. She's draining your person financially. And the thing is, they want to come and give you an offer because they know you're their soulmate. But you see that, there's a lot of people here. I feel like there were at least up to 2 people in your connection that was blocking, right? Whether this could have been 2 different love interests. This could have been a love interest and a family member, a love interest and a friend. I'm telling you, there were multiple people that were coming into your situation trying to block. And that's the thing. Some of you guys could have been dealing with the Gemini. But see, this person, they will be making the decision when it comes to you. I got 11-11 again. But they're not listening to their intuition. See? It's like they're doing a lot of thinking right now. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. But they're trying to figure out, okay, how do I get myself out of this situation? How do I come back to Pisces or cross-watcher? You know, if you dealt with the Pisces, they're trying to figure out how to come back towards you. Because, see, they're coming out of being frustrated. They want a victory with you. They're just not positive if it's going to happen. This person, they know they messed up. See, in the past, they didn't make a move, you know, and they're coming out of being frustrated, but they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you at all, Pisces, because they turned their back on you. They moved on, and they didn't look back. So, I'm seeing they're coming out of being frustrated, but right now, they're feeling stuck. Why? Why are they feeling stuck? See, there's the Empress. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you, somebody could be pregnant, or there's a child here, you know? But either which way, I'm telling you, this person wants a new beginning with you. Look at that. And they're going to give you an offer. This person is going to give you an offer. But I'm telling you, if somebody has a child or children with somebody else, I'm telling you, they're going to have to pay this person, and that could be why, see? They're afraid. You know, I'm seeing two situations here, like, they're afraid of coming back towards you because of what you're going to say, because they lied to you. They kept secrets from you. But at the same time, they're afraid of how much they may have to give to this person. See? Look at that. They're going to have to rush in and tell you the truth, but I feel like this person was being very inconsistent, going back and forth between you and someone else. See? I'm telling you, there's a third party here, but the thing is, they want to rush in to ask you out. I'm telling you, they want a new beginning, but they have to get... Y'all, I can't make this up. I'm telling you, they're having to give to somebody else. They're coming back to work things out with you, but, see? And they're afraid of a financial loss. Y'all, I can't make this family. This is a family situation. See? Y'all, look at this, all this money. They want to be with you, but there's somebody, you see this person right here, watching them. You know, for the money. They don't want to let them go. And so the thing is, this person, they're going to have to make a decision. Y'all, I'm skipping signs again. Y'all, I'm sorry. This is good. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so Pisces, sorry. You could have been dealing with another Pisces, but they're going to have to make a decision about this family situation or somebody from the past. Because, see, the way the Ten of Wands came out, yes, they regret how they treated you. Now they fear when they come back, you're going to let them go, but they have responsibilities. See? Look at that. 2 tens. They're going to put an end to this other situation, but they feel like it's over between the two of you, and that's why they're hesitating to come back to say something to you, because they repeatedly stabbed you in the back, Pisces. Yep. Didn't I tell you early on? I told you guys, I heard you guys are getting karmic justice. You're going to get it. You're getting karmic justice. Somebody could be dealing with the Libra. See? Look, and the Hierophant is here. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with the Taurus. Now, this person that I'm talking about, they could be either in some type of long-term commitment or they're married, right? And they're trying to get out this situation. This could also be them wanting to have this with you. See, they're wanting to come in confident. You know, they want to come in quickly to talk to you. I was waiting. I knew it. I kept hearing 2 people. See what I'm saying? Okay, this is the thing. By the time this person comes back, you have either already met somebody else, Pisces, or there's somebody else coming in for you. There's somebody else. That's their fear. Guess what? Karmic justice. That's why it's pushing them to say something to you. They're going to have to rush in to tell you, I want this new start. I want a new beginning with you. And I got out of this third party situation. Whatever that situation is in your scenario, they got out. See, because they want to balance things out with you. They want to be with you. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. But this is the thing. The way the star came out, it's like they're trying to hold on to hope because they want to heal things with you. But at the same time, they're losing hope, right? Because they were very stubborn, prideful. They had narcissistic tendencies. Their behaviors, you get what I'm saying? And it's like, with all of that being said, they want stability with you, but they're in a codependent situation. And this codependent situation that they're in, I feel like this person is very manipulative. They're controlling. And that's the problem. They're going to have to figure out how to get themselves out of that situation. Okay. Hold on, guys. Before I go to your advice, I was just told... Let me use these cards on y'all. Spirit, this person that I'm picking up on from my Pisces, what messages do they have? Just give me, let's do 3. What do they want Pisces to know? We need to let each other go. But you see how that landed on the Emperor? Didn't I tell you this person's stubborn, prideful? If that was the case, this storyline would be completely different. You get what I'm saying? So it's like they're not ready, guys. They're not ready. And remember, I told you they still have to go through their karmic lessons. But they're saying we need to let each other go. But then, you see, we will be together again. What? It is like, you see where it's landing? We will be together again, but I'm going to have to let you go because I got to figure this situation out. It's not no I think we'll be together. It's we will. You see what I'm saying? Like this person, they're going to come in confident. I'm telling you. Look at that. My life is not as together as it seems. Look, I left when I saw you with someone. So a lot of you guys, I'm telling you, moved on or they thought you did, you know? Look at that. It's time for me to heal now. I couldn't let you get close to me. I'm not available. I replay our conversations over and over. Then they're saying, we both know I am not the one for you. I'm telling you, it's like they're making excuses in their mind as to why the connection between the two of you is not going to work. But they know they're wrong. See? Finding out the truth crushed me. They made the wrong decision I'm telling you, for a small percentage of you. If this is something with a child or children involved, somebody found out they're not the father. I wonder if you are happy without me. I know I messed everything up. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you. All right, Pisces. Let's see where your energy is. Okay, Spirit. So when it comes to my Pisces, what messages do you have for Pisces? When it comes to my Pisces, what messages do you have for my Pisces? Give them some messages and or advice, please. Look at that. Ace of Wands. Overall energy, you can have a new beginning with this person, but it's if you want it. See? But the thing is, you're looking at them like, they're not giving me an offer. They didn't give me a stable offer, so I put an end to it. Yeah, you're like, I'm done. See? I freed myself from this toxic cycle, this connection, and I'm focusing on myself. I know that's right, Pisces. You're like, I'm focusing on myself. Remember I told you in the beginning, some of you guys were manifesting a new soulmate. You were going through an awakening, and you're focusing on your finances and your career. That's exactly what that is. You're like, I don't have time for it. See? And now your guard is up when it comes to this individual. But guess what? You're waiting to have a new beginning. I feel like with somebody else. Yep. So Spirit is saying something's getting ready to come in really fast for a lot of you, but you're back and forth with the Six of Cups. It's your soulmate that landed over there with soulmate. So guess what? Remember I told you guys I saw two kings? This person knows if you're not talking to someone else, you have somebody else coming in, right? And so the thing is, I feel like what's going to happen when you meet this other person, if you haven't already met them, this other person that you already know is going to come back in. So now you're trying to figure out, do I move forward with the new person or the old person? So let's see. You're looking at the old person like they're sneaky, like, no, I don't trust you. See, you broke my heart. You repeatedly stabbed me in my back. I don't want you. See, I moved on. I had to put an end to the situation, and I had to leave it alone. But see, you were having a hard time doing this. But guess what? You healed. You healed, you know, you realize this person didn't bring you any type of stability, you know, and that's why you were so focused on yourself, getting yourself together, because guess what? This person kept leaving you out in the cold. So even though you're frustrated, I told you, you're moving on. You're moving on, and guess what? By you doing that, lesson complete. You have an offer coming in, but the thing is, you're upset. There's still some sadness here. So, guys, I want you to keep moving forward, keep healing, because you're moving in the right direction, but there's still something inside of you that's still holding on to this person. Even though you physically let them go, yeah, see, that's why. Because a lot of you know this is your person. You have a really good, strong connection. There's 11-11 here. It's like you guys know you're supposed to have a family with this person, but finding out the truth, you're like, you know what? I'm not going to tolerate this stuff. See? I may not be able to have a family with this person because they refuse to get out of their situation. They refuse to change their behavior, and now I don't want them. That's the truth. That's the realization you guys are coming to. Ooh, Pisces. That was your reading. Let me know if this resonates. Drop down, leave me some comments. Okay, guys, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Pisces.